Okay, so what's up guys, I'm Pixel Sammy and welcome to this newest video. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about sound design. Now more specifically, how to make your own sound design. So sound effects are one of the most crucial things in video editing, let it be for your travel videos or your music videos or your cinematic videos. Sound effects can really make a lot of difference, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to use some of my own footages which I shot a while back, and I'm going to create sound effects from them. These are basically shots which I shot in a jungle, in a forest, in a road, etc. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract their sounds and create what you call as sound effects. And the software which I'm going to use is called VideoProc. I have already made a review on this a while back. This is a very good software for extracting sounds. Of course, you can use all the other softwares which is there on the internet as well, but I feel this one is a bit more faster and a bit more reliable than all the other ones. So in order to just extract your sound effects, just simply choose any one of the clips which has a little bit of sound. For example, in this particular shot which I'm going to use, as you can see, there is a little bit of bird chirping sounds such as this ones, or such as this one. As you can see, there is a bike sound in this one. So what we can do basically is I'm going to just import this particular clip in VideoProc. I can trim the clip as well to that particular section only, and then I'm going to export this particular clip as a WAV format because it exports at a very higher quality than usual MP3 formats. So after exporting, it is pretty much done. Your sound effect is ready. Now if you want to do something extra, just add that sound effect in Premiere Pro or in Final Cut Pro, in whichever software you guys edit. Just use denoiser or use some other effects which you use on a sound to make this particular sound effects a lot better. And then after export this particular sound effect further in a WAV format. This can make a lot of difference, and it has done a really cool job for me as well. And I have chosen 5 different clips which I have recorded, and I have converted them into a sound effects pack, and the link to that download file is there in the description below. So if you guys like this particular pack, make sure to check that out. So yes, VideoProc is a very cool and very unique software, and I have just checked their website. They have a kind of thing going on where you can just roll and just get the software for free or get other chances to win Amazon gift card, YouTube gift cards, etc. So I'll just leave that link down below as well if you guys want to just participate in that kind of a spin wheel kind of a competition, because it is a really cool one, and there is a good 90% chance that you guys will get the VideoProc software for totally free. Of course, there is other versions also, but this software is a bit better than all the other ones. There is a review video for this as well. So yes, the links to that competition and the download links are there in the description below. Make sure to check that out. So with that being said, this is enough for this particular video, guys. I hope you guys like the sound effect which I just made. I hope you guys like this particular techniques which I just showed you. And with that being said, this is Pixel Sammy. We'll be back with another video soon. Peace out. And of course, bloopers, if you guys stayed till the end, make sure to comment down below because I'm sure you guys are the truest fans here. So yeah, this is my new setup. As you can see, I'm much closer to the camera than before. There's a new key light here, and there's some low light in the background because I want to just separate myself from the background a bit more. So make sure to tell me in the comments below what you guys think of this particular setup. So yeah, peace out.